Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 13th of April 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks and news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First, we will start off by taking a look at Nifty. Crude price shock once again played spoilsport as it affected Nifty negatively today, with the NSE index once again breaking below 24,000. Although we saw a sustained recovery from the lows seen in early trade, Nifty still closed in the red as it fell by 0.86% or 207.95 points to end at 23,842.65. Losses today were led by the auto sector, with broad-based selling being witnessed across the board. Volatility too saw a spike today, thereby increasing the range of movements for the index. No changes will be required to the levels as mentioned today morning, with supports being at 23,690, followed by 23,465, while resistances will be at 23,860, followed by 24,100. Tomorrow, the markets will be closed on account of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, and trading on Wednesday will depend on global events that occur in the interim. Crude prices, FII outflows, as well as rupee weakness are the major movers for the markets currently. Nifty will be bullish above 24,310, while bearish momentum will reassert itself below 23,065. Next, let us take a look at the levels for Sensex. Sensex 2 fell almost 1% today to edge lower by 703 points to close at 76,848. Once again, the BSE index traded today within our mentioned range, and as such, no changes are required to the levels. Supports will be at 76,565, followed by 75,870, while resistances will be at 77,870, followed by 79,015. Bullish momentum will prevail above 79,015, while bears will dominate if the index breaks below 73,955. Now, let us check out details of what transpired for crude oil. After the breakdown of the talks between the US and Iran over the weekend, crude oil prices spiked once again as Trump proceeded to add to the blockade at the Strait of Hormuz for all those who paid a toll to Iran. Owing to this, volatility has also spiked at the energy counter as it recovered above $100 per barrel, with no respite in sight for now. Crude is currently trading with a positive bias, with escalations in geopolitical tensions sending the commodity to even higher levels. Supports after the recent spike may be adjusted upwards to 9,420, followed by 9,215, while resistances will be at 9,865, followed by 10,220. Bullish momentum will intensify above the nearby resistance level of 9,865, while bearish momentum will take over below 8,540. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Shares of Jyoti CNC Automation plunged around 16% after its subsidiary, Huron Grafenstaden, came under investigation by French authorities over alleged violations of EU export control laws. The development has raised concerns about regulatory risks and potential impact on operations. Puravankara shares surged nearly 17% after a strong March quarter update, with sales jumping 190% to 3,547 crore rupees and collections rising 36%. The company also launched new projects, boosting its growth outlook for FY27. EV-related stocks like Ather Energy, JBM Auto, and Olectra Greentech gained between 2% and 5% after the Delhi government released its draft EV policy. The proposal includes a phased ban on petrol two-wheelers and CNG three-wheelers, signaling a strong push toward electrification. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.